Wanna know how to implement or use inheritance in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can easily implement inheritance. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. So I have this inheritance code right here. So here the class dog extends class animal first up. So once that is done, which means dog gets everything that animal has. So when you create a dog object, it can call both sound and from animal and bark. So it can also call bark method from itself. So that's it. That's how you run and use inheritance, saving code from parent class into a child one, which enables you to not copy anything and makes your work much easier. Now you can just simply run this code up and you can see the results right here. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and remain with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.